For the Winter White Drawing Challenge, you're going to be focusing on the values you see in white objects. I've collected a few objects as examples here on my paper. I have a crumpled paper towel, a Lego, an egg, which was brown at my house, and a marshmallow. And for today's example, I'm going to be focusing on the marshmallow. You're going to need a pencil, a piece of paper, a white object, and your flashlight. After you've already done your shading spheres practice, you're going to take the flashlight, and I want you to notice that as you move the flashlight, the shadows on those objects change. Since we're focusing on just the marshmallow today, I'm going to go ahead and get that set up. You're going to put your marshmallow on your paper, and you're going to set up your flashlight where you want it. Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating how to draw using a cylinder as the basic shape for the marshmallow. So I've got everything set up for us today, and you can follow along with the video to practice, or you can look at your own marshmallow. The first thing you're going to do is draw an oval. The oval is going to be this side of our marshmallow. Then you're going to draw the top of the marshmallow really lightly and the bottom of the marshmallow. Next, you're going to make a curved outer edge. So this is just like we've done our soup cans or our mug drawings. We have the basic shape down, and it's time to hold our pencil like an artist all the way back here, really nice and loose, and we're using this flat edge of the pencil lead for some shading. On this side of the marshmallow, I see some medium values, and so I'm going to go really nice and slow to shade in and practice letting that pencil go on top of the paper. I notice the shadow here. Since the light source is coming from this side, we know that the shadow is down on the opposite edge from our shading spheres exercise. So I'm going to add a darkened area over here. We know the shape of the shadow is going to be really dramatic, oval, so I can kind of sketch that in for later. The brightest side is over here where the light source is touching, so I'm going to leave that alone for now and just kind of mark in where it starts to get darker. And I notice this shadow comes along right there kind of diagonally. So I'm just going to mark that in. And it's time to get shading again. So I'm going to make circular shading movements using the side of my lead. And then some students really like to start to learn to blend using their finger. I always use my pinky, and I just kind of give it a little bit of a smudge since that marshmallow is usually smooth. And lastly, add your shadow in, just like we've done if you completed the birch trees project.